Welcome to this Music1 tutorial on organizing your media in PlayoutONE using Auto Importer. Now, perhaps your media in PlayoutONE is all over the place with UIDs for songs, adverts, all using the same numbering system. Instead, it's possible to use Auto Importer to specify specific UIDs for ads and music and production. You can see here I have set up import folder for commercials, production and songs, and we are going to do a example of how to do that in PlayoutONE. So firstly, we are going to set a new category. We've already got songs, so we want to set a new specialist song import category here. So we will do that by creating a new import rule in PlayoutONE's Auto Importer by first selecting New, and then we are going to create a new import. So we're going to give the import a name. In this example, we're going to call it Specialist Music for, say, music shows. So Specialist Music Shows, we'll give that import name. We're going to use a new ID for import audio type with new ID. Import folder is where we set the folder in our import directory. Now you can use Dropbox for imports, and I'm going to create a specialist music folder there in the import folder, and then we go to cart details, and here we want to just make sure the properties are pretty much as they are. Now if it's an advert, you might want to deselect auto DJ because you don't want that to be used by the fill commands or auto DJ if it's an advert, or if it's a specialist music as well, you might not want it to be used. Now type is important. We set the type for songs in this case, and then the category we would set here for new songs. Now if you're creating one for adverts, then you would leave that blank and change the type to advert or commercials. Add characters to UID is important. So here we're going to actually say we're going to add MU to UID, and we are going to take off 2 items from the UID end range to allow for that MU addition to the UID. And then we're going to save. Now let's have a look what our auto import does in practice. Okay, we've got a folder here which is created by Specialist Music folder with failed and imported folders. That was created by the auto importer itself, and we're going to drop 2 songs into each of these folders. So the new Specialist Music folder, we're going to drop 1 song, Tunstall, and we're going to drop another song into the songs folder, and we will have a look what the importer is doing. In PlayoutONE Auto Importer, we can see the items highlighted are now running, and if we drop to PlayoutONE, and we can see the new songs in new songs with the new UIDs depending on the auto import, and that reflects in Music1 as well with the 2 new songs with the new cart IDs there as well. Thank you very much for your attention to this Traffic1 Music1 tutorial. If you need help and support, please do reach out to us at support@music1.pro.